Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can block websites in your Google Chrome browser. For that you have to click these three little dots at the top right, then come to extension, visit Chrome Web Store, and here you have to type BlockSite and enter. You can see lots of extension here. I have tried this one but it have some limitations, so I will go with this one, and I will click add to Chrome, add extension, and the extension is installed now. So now you have to click on this extension icon and then pin this icon next to your address bar. Once that is done, go to the site that you want to block. I'm going with Twitch. So once you reach your site, just right click on it and then you will see the option block this domain. And now this is blocked. So if I close this one and then type twitch.tv, and as you can see, the Twitch is blocked. To unblock it, you just have to come to this site, and this is the site domain name that is blocked. So you have to just click on this button, and now if I go and reload this, as you can see, now the Twitch is back online. So this is how you can easily block any website in your Google Chrome browser. Thank you.